Good morning, guys. Good morning, my angels. I don't know if you guys can see me or hear me because it's a bit gloomy. I'm walking to the shop to buy a little grocery for the parents. So I'm walking to the shop right now. Let me put on something on my mouth so that I can talk to you properly. I don't know if you guys can hear me. Can you guys hear me? Huh? Can you guys hear me? Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, okay?
It's been a minute since we last kicked. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this.
Guys, you know very well that so I've been running the errands like literally at this right moment, so bear with me a little. Hope you guys are well. Guys, this sweater, I'm loving this sweater so much. I don't want to lie, I am loving this sweater so much. I am loving this sweater because this sweater is so amazing. Guys, I keep looking at myself instead of looking at the camera. I don't know why. I said I'm gonna talk to you once I'm done putting a lip gloss on my lips, but so I'm done. I'm done with the errands. I'm from the, what do you call this, building material, to get some few stuff for my dad because then I'm rumile. So like, other than that, let me introduce myself. It's your first time right here. Welcome to my channel, my dog, and thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure to subscribe and to turn on the notification button so that you can become part of the member, okay? Part of the member. I'm waiting for the text right now, and I'm so hungry. I haven't heard anything ever since Pakela. Like, can you guys imagine? To be quite honest with you guys, there's really nothing going on into my life. If you know me personally, you know good to me now that I do not like going out at all. I go out sometimes, even like because broke. Because I cannot chalete. I am just all over the place right now, and it's just a lot going on. I've been going through this phase. I don't know. This moment, I've been taking somehow, but I'll be fine. I'll be fine emotionally. I've been so angry. Next minute I'm sad. Next minute I'm happy. Next minute, like, it's adulting again. That's how it is. That's how it is. Like, everything but love to say I believe in God more than anything, and I'll definitely sit on his feet and believe in him and be hopeful and keep praying and be faithful, because adulting is just a whole scam buffet. Adulting is just a whole scam. Guys, yes, sithwele kanzima and sibancane. Sithwele kanzima and sibancane, and sifuna ukukhula kodwa ke sana kuya nywa ni a gwanyiwa bagolo ba bule ba re gola le tla di bona. Nna ka di bona, guys. No, ka di bona. My life is just not giving me any peace, but I am fighting to have that peace. Like, I want peace in my life. I do not want stress at this right moment. So I've let everything be. I've let God into my life, and I'm fine. Despite anything that is happening, I am so fine. So I'd love to believe in God because he has plans for me, and I will definitely believe in him, and I shall live in his presence because I know he's near. I know he's with me all the damn time. So so be this person and vent to you guys and cry to you, my 400 subscribers, and yeah. So I'll see you guys when I see you guys. I'm so hungry. go bua ka re go nketsa worse le dikoloi tsa motho ba ntse bang mara and like ngwanyana ona o bua le batho ba ntse ba feta fa ba ntse ba nshebile gore it's like what's going on with this girl, like why is she talking to the phone like this? What kind of video call is this one on a landscape? You get what I'm saying? There's a taxi coming, so let me catch a taxi. I'll talk to you guys when I talk to you, okay? I love you guys so much. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But you stop me from eating these zimbas. Can somebody please stop me? Finally, this copas, guys. I can't stop. I can't stop eating these, guys. I can't stop. Somebody guys, stop. I am in such a hurry. I just got a cold. Like one thing about my mom, Mama guys. Yo. Sometimes like I give you wherever I go. So hey, that's it, guys. Let's work. I need my apartment. I need my apartment. Oh my god. My crying baby. Say hello to the vlog, my crying baby. Pando. Bona. Hello everybody. I've been crying for mommy. I miss mommy. And I want nganga. Guys, why am I not shy? Can somebody tell me that? Because I think he's shy. Tell them. I want my mommy. I've been crying. Why are you making those eyes? These eyes, they are charm. Like nakana ela motho matlo a chama. Yeah. Good morning, my darlings. I'm here to give you a 360 of my face. Glow is glowing. The glow is just shining through. I hope everybody's well. Guys, my face is coming back. The way I am so happy. I only have one pimple here, and it seems like this one is fresh, and it's so painful when I touch it. But other than that, happy ganshani. Remember I told you that I used salt mask, whereby like I mixed salt with a little bit of water and I applied it on my face for 2 minutes to 3 minutes and 5 minutes. Then after that I rinse it off. Then I apply my Gentle Magic serum. That's what I did because I don't know where do I take that, but I was like, you know what, because my face is oily and I've heard like salt, it makes your skin dry. So because my skin is super oily right now, let me just use oil to add salt. So that's why I use that. But don't try it at home, okay? Don't try it at home and say Umphile said you I'm not saying, guys. I did say. And also I used alu. I used alu to mask my face as well. That's what I usually do. I use it twice in a month, if not thrice. Yeah, I think twice. I only use it. You know, I use it to mask my face as well and just chill out. Definitely do the self-care video using it so that you guys can see what I'm talking about. And yeah, so I thought let me come here and give you a 360 of my beautiful face, my beautiful glowing face. I should stop eating oily food. That's it. I just realized that I've turned 1 on my YouTube channel. Like on the 1st of April 2023, it was the first time I entered the YouTube channel street, and man, it's been so challenging. Yeah, it's been so challenging. And now I've reached 400. How amazing! I've reached 400 subscribers. I was turning 1. I just realized right now, today is the 4th of April, and I was just checking out my previous videos, and I just realized, you started your YouTube channel the 1st of April last year, and right now you just turned 1. So happy birthday to my YouTube channel. Happy birthday to my YouTube channel, myself, and you guys, my subbies, okay? Thank you so much for being my day ones. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you so much for giving me the love and the support everything in all. Thank you guys so much. Hip hip hooray! Ah. E. E. Kwala. Mo pampering e. A. O. Ooh. Ha.
1,000 years later. Several days later.
Shines another day on this vloggy vlog. I hope everybody's well and doing great. And if you're still watching this video, thank you so much. Guys, I'm still coming here to cry on you guys because am I depressed? I'm starting to become really depressed right now because there's a lot that is going on. So I've been playing with Untatilene. Like right now, I've been playing with him. And I want to like a mistake. You know how kids are. So I want to like a mistake. Only to find out ukuthi uthutse lino laka le crackile. Like guys, where am I gonna get the money to fix my teeth? Or when if ever these teeth I would say something bad. These are the front teeth. Like give me an apple feeling. Once I do it, guys. How am I gonna look at her now? Guys, yo, yes, you attack it in the no, on this vlog, I just, oh, look at them. But I'm not medical. What is this? Go the benefits so that I can fix my teeth because I can't live like this. I would die. I would literally die because once they crack like kava, just know that don't. Shh. Yo. Show you how it can get so hectic sometimes. I want you to just watch this. Look at my baby. This is my baby boy. Are babonse ska nna shy babonse ngwana ke gore wena o dumengana babonse apparently what like pagama a latela these days like I'm busy cooking right now, so he wants to just climb the table and go get those things. This is how he lives his life. So ne ke ka ra le bontshe so ke o shy pagama stilo ba tafula ba latela tilo Guys, I've been cooking and I just realized that this vlog is very long. There's one thing that I really want to work on is to shorten my vlogs. But it's because that's the thing. It's because so right now I still have more days until Wednesday. Guys, I am uploading my vlogs every Wednesday. Keep that in mind all the time, okay? All the time, because I've been receiving a lot of messages. Ma'am, when are you uploading? Ma'am, did you forget? No, sweeties, I can't forget you. You know? Our day is Wednesday, okay? Keep that in mind all the time. Oh, Kitty Jove. Kitty Jove. So I thought let me just close off this vlog. Gee, like all over the place. Like I have problems on top of problems, and my problems are not getting any better anytime. But unkulunkulu khona kuzolunga kuzoba right. Guys, it's been raining and I love this weather so much. So let me go eat. This is my food. Do you guys want to see my food? I've been craving like Kana manyana, o ile ko moloreng ngwanole. O ile. Anyway, let me close off this vlog. I'll see you guys. Guys, yo, like ngwana ona, yo, sana. So anyway, if ever I don't continue this vlog, thank you so much for watching until here. Thank you so much, guys, for watching until here. I'll definitely see you guys when I see you. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please forgive me with this whole situationship that is going on, because Sana, being a parent is just a lot of work. It's just a lot of work. He hasn't sleep ever since Atukule Pakela, so you can imagine. Go to Kimat. Let me show you guys my food. It's simple and just, where are my food? Let me show you. This is how my food looks like. Look. This is how my food looks like. Ooh, I'm going to eat and try to just get over the motor because Dikatele. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna have the most amazing food. So eat meats while I still can, you know. I can just because meno ziggy. Hey guys, let me leave you and love you. I'll definitely see you when I see you, okay? Please take care and love you so much.